Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to purchase an eSIM for Honduras. This is very easily done using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video below. Once you go ahead and open it up, it's going to take you to this page right here, and this is the official page of the eSIM application. You can use eSIM on your mobile phone or on your PC on the website. It's going to work exactly the same, but here we can get started taking a look at the Honduras plan. So once you have opened up that link, it's going to take you right here. Make sure to stay by the end of the video, as we're also going to be showing you how to install the eSIM. So basically you're going to be able to compare the unlimited plans with the fixed plans. You're going to see that the unlimited plans are usually the best offer, as they're in similar price with the fixed plans, but you're going to have unlimited data, so it's always best to choose an unlimited plan. So once you have chosen your plan, you can click the checkout option. It's going to enable you to select your payment method of choice. You can select anything you prefer, whatever you want, and let's say we want Apple Pay. So once you have made a purchase successfully, now we can go ahead and get started with following the installation steps right here. So as you can see, it's going to work exactly the same for Android and iPhone with some minor differences. So if you're on an iPhone device, you can go ahead and open up the iOS eSIM application, go to the eSIM page, tap install eSIM, and then you can click to add a cellular plan. Click the install button and the installation process should not be interrupted. Then you can tap to add a cellular plan, follow the on-screen instructions, and label your data plan as eSIM for identification, and then you can start using it from your mobile data section. You can also add the eSIM by scanning the QR code. Open up your settings, tap on cellular, and click to add a cellular plan, and then you can get started clicking setup cellular and use QR code and scan the QR code directly from your application. It works similar for Android as well. You can go ahead and take a look at how it works right here. So the Android steps are also on the website. You can find the article for yourself. You're going to open up the application, go to the eSIM page, tap install, and click add cellular plan. That's going to enable you to add a cellular plan as well. So it works both the same for Android and iPhone. You can follow your steps for yourself, and there you have it. Go into the description of this video right now, get started with following and installing the steps and purchasing your eSIM today using the first link in the description. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.